Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use DeepSeek for email writing. To use DeepSeek for email writing, just give it a prompt to write an email. So I'm gonna make it now. So I've created a short prompt. You can make it longer or shorter depending on your preference. The most important thing is to say it should write an email, then about what the email should be. Then I'm gonna send it and it immediately creates the email. So you can see it is created, has the subject and the body of the mail. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.